Oh dear God. Some tires, change the oil. I was going to change the spark plugs, but they didn't have any. So now we're just, just do some daily maintenance. Just easy stuff today. So first thing I'm going to do is just the easy stuff and have to change the oil. So. Might have to go to the other side. That's better. Left side of the car is up more than the right side. Wow. We're definitely dripping transmission fluid. It's okay. I'll have to just remember to check it every other race or so. 9/16 in case anyone was wondering. Oh dear. That's a little worrisome. So, yeah. That's not good. We'll see how much of that's real. Might just be gunk. Hopefully it's not metal. We get a white rag here. What the That's weird. It's like gooey. Feels like Play-Doh. Looks like Play-Doh. Not sure the camera's really getting it, but it's not normal. The oil wasn't that old, but it did sit all winter. Maybe we should have changed it before the first race because it only had a race and a half on it, so we figured it was okay. But that does not look okay. And it's coming out really thick down there. And I don't think 8 quarts came out either. Well, we'll drain and see. It's still holding air, by the way. Oh, hopefully this tire doesn't suck on now because it's a whole floppy jaw out of whack. Really don't want to lose this tire. It's got a whopping 1 race on it. No, 1.5 races on it. Ha 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 ha! Yes! Yes! Ha ha! That's a tiny little stream. Can live with that. That does not feel like 8 quarts of oil. Oh, damn it. Oil filter is on that side. Yep. Back under the, well, actually first. Okay, does Jeff have an oil filter wrench here? I think I found the wrench he was talking about. I guess just put it around like that. And, oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's pretty cool. That'll work nicely. Neat. All right, let's see how it does. That is spiffy. Oh, that is brilliant. Cool. Thanks, Jeff. All right. All right, got oil in here. Now just gotta not spill it everywhere. Okay. Well, that's still ridiculous, but it'll work. Oh, hell no. It's going to take her a year. Slow and steady wins the race, right? All right, so that's 3 quarts in. Well, 1 quart's in the filter. Disadvantage of the car being up on jack stands. So leaning over like that sucks. Yeah, at least I can rest my arm here. Spill all over the place. I don't see a different one. And the one in the trailer is we got the fuel one, which is way too big. And then we have another one that's just as skinny as that one, but longer. I swear we had a short little fat one right here. No, it's my funnel, so I don't want to mess with it. I should not have tried breaking down the tires before I did this. My arms are already jello. Jeez, even that's backing up. This is really exciting video, huh? Oh God, that hurt the back. All right. We got new plugs coming. They're ordered. They'll be here Tuesday. And then we may spend the money on the highest end plug wires. Although I think those are good plug wires. But, you know, there's a misfire. And we're going to adjust the fuel regulator this week. But planning for all contingencies, just in case it's not a fuel problem. Because it's misfiring even when it's at higher RPM but lower throttle. So like when you're in neutral, if you go back here, I'll splice the video in right here. So obviously you can tell it's misfiring even without the throttle being full, which shouldn't be starving for fuel considering it's barely got any throttle. Yeah, it's at high RPMs, but it's low throttle. So as far as I'm aware, it shouldn't be misfiring. I don't see why it should be because of fuel. So that tells me it may be a spark problem, but a whole new set. I mean, these plugs are new. I put them in last year at the end of the year, and I only raced it 3, 4, 5 times since then. So it's only got 5 races on this set of plugs. They should be good to go, but you know, whatever. All right, now for the moment of truth to figure out how much oil was actually in the car. This is gonna scare me a little. Yeah, that ain't no 8 quarts. Oof. Oh dear God. Uh-oh. There was 3 quarts of oil in the engine out of 8. All right, so you'll notice it's a lot shakier now because I'm holding it with my hands instead of on the gimbal, but I'm wrapping it up. So yeah, we had 3 quarts of oil only in the engine. The rest we're pretty sure is blow-by that had been coming out of the breathers. We've still got to address that. But hopefully that's where our problem was. We had pressure, so hopefully it was good, but I'm not happy. I hope my engine's okay. So it's got 8 fresh quarts in it now, though, and we know what we need to do with the fuel pressure regulator. So since the plugs aren't going to be here till Tuesday, that's pretty much all we're going to do. I've got this tire partially broken down, but you know what? I'm tired and a little freaked out, so I'm going to call it a day. So I'll go home and upload this video tonight and do another one as we get ready. Again, we're not racing to, oh, by the way, date and time check. It is Sunday, March 30th, 2025. And it's beautiful, 73 degrees here. So spring is officially here in Tennessee, which is great. But yeah, so our next race is April 12th. We're going to practice April 11th at Volunteer Speedway, which I'm wearing my Volunteer Speedway hat and my Volunteer Speedway shirt. Of course, everything's backwards because I'm in selfie mode. But yeah, so April 11th, April 12th, we'll be at Volunteer again, or for the first time this year, and it's the first time the track's going to be open this year, so we're excited. Should be good to go for it. And then after that, we're not quite sure what our schedule holds, so we'll keep you updated. But for now, I'm signing off, so thanks for playing along.